Hola, ¿cómo estás? Welcome back to the Turing Experience. Mi nombre es Alan, and it's an honor to be your Spanish teacher. Today, you'll learn how to say the colors in Spanish. Los colores. Vamos. Colores. Los colores. Blanco, blanco. Negro, negro. Azul, azul. Rojo, rojo. Verde, verde. Amarillo, amarillo. Naranja o anaranjado. Naranja, anaranjado. Café o marrón. Café, marrón. Rosa o rosado. Rosa, rosado. Morado o violeta. Morado, violeta. Mi color favorito es el azul. Mi color favorito es el azul. ¿Cuál es tu color favorito? ¿Cuál es tu color favorito? Write it down in Spanish in the comments below. And let us know if you have any questions regarding the topic and what you'd like to learn next. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Challenge them to learn with you. Don't forget that we have a gift for you to help you get started in Spanish the right way and interact with the locals during your next trip abroad. To download it for free, just click the link in the description below. Our gift for you for being here. Subscribe to our channel for weekly Spanish lessons, travel videos and tips, cultural information, and more. Gracias y hasta la próxima semana.
Vivir, sentir y no solo